Finance niche has one of the highest RPM on YouTube, and this YouTuber has converted boring and difficult finance into simple animations, and in return, he got 112K subscribers. Even with little views, you can make a lot due to high RPM. I'll tell you everything how you can make videos like these, but you still cannot make money because your channel is not monetized, and completing 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time can take a while. Check my website where you can purchase already monetized YouTube channels. They are 100% organic and follow YouTube policy. To get started, open the channel that you want to model and take a screenshot of it. This screenshot will help the AI understand the style, content, and overall direction of the channel you are trying to replicate. Open ChatGPT and upload that same screenshot. Then type, "I want to create a channel like this. Suggest me some unique names for it." You will get a long list of name suggestions, but the top 10 are the most relevant ones. Go through them and pick the one that resonates with you the most. Next, type, "Give me 10 viral video ideas that get millions of views in the finance niche." You will get 10 high potential ideas, and these are not generic, boring finance videos like how to save money or investing for beginners. These are curiosity-based ideas that make people stop scrolling and click. Ideas like why being poor is more expensive than being rich, the psychology of why you never feel rich, why most millionaires don't look rich, and how banks make money from you every single day. These titles trigger curiosity and emotion, which is exactly what drives high click-through rates on YouTube. I am picking the third idea, why most millionaires don't look rich. For the script, go to the Notion file linked in the description and copy the master prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. If you look carefully at the prompt, you will notice there is already a placeholder title inside it. Delete that title and replace it with the title you just picked. Then send it, and you will get a well-structured, engaging script that is ready to use. Next, open a new ChatGPT tab. Go back to the same Notion file and scroll down. You will find the image prompt there. Copy it and paste it into the new chat. ChatGPT will then ask you to provide your script. The reason I kept this step in a separate tab is flexibility. If you already have your own script, or you are working in a different niche entirely, you can skip the first part and paste your script directly here. Once you enter the script, ChatGPT will generate individual image prompts for each line of it. Now go to Flow and switch to image mode. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the model. Generate the first image using the first prompt. Once it is generated, open it and crop it so that only the face of your character is visible. This cropped face will serve as your reference image to keep the character looking consistent across all your clips. Now copy the first prompt again. This time, switch to video mode in Flow and choose Omni Flash as the model. Drag and drop the cropped face image as the reference, and enter the prompt to generate your first video clip. You have to repeat this exact same process for every single prompt. Always upload the reference face image first, then enter the prompt. This is what maintains the same character face consistently throughout your entire video. Once all your clips are generated, download them. For the voiceover, I highly recommend placing a camera and recording yourself speaking the script. YouTube has been demonetizing channels that rely entirely on AI-generated content with no human effort involved. So adding your own real voice gives your channel a significant advantage and protects your monetization in the long run. But if you are looking for an AI voice instead, search for AI Studio TDS. Select the training guide option and enter your script there to generate a natural-sounding voiceover.
You scroll past another billionaire's mansion, another luxury car.
Next, open CapCut and import all your video clips along with your voiceover. Click on Sort and select Time Created, because this will automatically arrange all your clips in the correct sequence without you having to do it manually. Then make some basic cuts to sync the video clips tightly with the voiceover. After that, reduce the volume of the video clips so the voiceover stays clear and easy to hear. Your video will look something like this.
You scroll past another billionaire's mansion, another luxury car, another watch worth more than your yearly salary.
The last step is thumbnail generation. Go back to the same Notion file and scroll down to find the thumbnail prompt. In ChatGPT, paste that prompt. Copy your video title and enter it in the designated spot inside the prompt. ChatGPT will then generate a detailed, optimized prompt specifically designed for your thumbnail. Take that prompt to Flow and generate your thumbnail there. If you do not like the style it produces, simply go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me a prompt to generate a thumbnail for this video." Since we have not given any specific style instructions this time, ChatGPT is free to come up with its own creative direction. Here the thumbnail is ready, and I like the first one. Now you have a monetized channel, a complete video, and a thumbnail ready for it.